You're listening to an African Elements top news story for April 15th, 2025. Please visit our website at africanelements.org for more daily news. Amber Sherman, arrested filming Memphis police operation. Amber Sherman arrest, filming police leads to charges. By Darius Spearman, African Elements. An ordinary morning walk took a sharp turn for Memphis activist Amber Sherman on April 9th. She encountered a police operation unfolding in a black neighborhood. Witnessing the scene, Sherman did what many citizens now do when faced with police activity. She pulled out her phone and began recording. That decision, however, appeared to be the trigger for her interaction with law enforcement. Officers involved in the operation arrested Sherman shortly after she started filming. The simple act of documenting the police presence resulted in her own detention. Subsequently, this incident raises questions about the right to observe and record police actions, particularly within communities often experiencing heightened police scrutiny. Following her arrest, Amber Sherman was held in custody for a significant period. She spent 17 hours detained before her release. During the arrest itself, Sherman alleged that officers threatened her with mace, adding a layer of intimidation to the encounter. This claim underscores the potential volatility of interactions between citizens and law enforcement, even when the initial action involves filming. Sherman was eventually released on her own recognizance. This legal term means she was allowed to leave custody without having to post bail money. Instead, she gave her word, a personal promise, that she would appear in court for future proceedings related to the charges against her. Therefore, the court trusted her commitment to return based on factors like community ties and the nature of the alleged offenses. Following her 17-hour detention, formal charges were filed against Amber Sherman. She faces accusations of disorderly conduct and obstructing a highway, both allegedly occurring during the police operation she filmed. These official charges contrast slightly with information from a social media post, which suggested she was initially arrested for making a scene. This discrepancy prompted Sherman herself to question the legal grounds for her arrest upon release. Understanding the specific charges requires looking at their legal definitions, which can vary. Disorderly conduct is often a broad charge covering actions that disturb public peace. Similarly, obstructing a highway typically involves blocking passage, but can also include disobeying police orders in certain contexts. These charges provide the official justification for the arrest, although Sherman contests their validity. Upon her release, Amber Sherman did not remain silent. She took to social media and publicly challenged the validity of the charges brought against her. Sherman specifically questioned the legal justification, highlighting what she perceived as the arbitrary nature of the disorderly conduct and obstruction allegations. Her challenge brings the core issue back into focus. The arrest seemingly stemmed from her decision to film police activity in a black neighborhood. By questioning the charges, Sherman implicitly questions the legitimacy of being arrested for observing and documenting law enforcement. Furthermore, her outspokenness turns her personal experience into a public point of discussion about police accountability and citizen rights during police encounters. The incident involving Amber Sherman touches upon sensitive and recurring themes within the black community regarding interactions with law enforcement. Filming police has become a common tool for accountability, yet incidents like this suggest the act itself can lead to confrontation and arrest. Ultimately, Sherman's experience adds another voice to the ongoing conversation about policing, transparency, and the rights of individuals, especially black individuals, when encountering police operations in their own neighborhoods. Copyright African Elements.